In front of me is Denver SDQ 52001G, and let me show you how to change the sound of incoming voicemail on the following device. So at first just open the phone dialer, then find and pick more icon, go to the settings, pick voicemail, and now click on notifications. Here you will find sound, so just click on sound, and let me show you all of the possible options of the sounds that you can apply, starting with default notification sound. And that's it. Then just pick the one that you would like to apply, tap on OK, and as you can see, the voicemail sound has been changed. So this is it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.